Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Do you see that? Yeah. Yeah, you see that, nigga. You see that, nigga. What is that? Move 20. Move 20. You see. What is them? 50s. What is them? 50s. What's up? What's up? Real nigga, what's up? Money Train, nigga. Money Train gang, bitch. You see what the fuck this is? You see what the fuck this is? You see what the fuck we watching?
I think that kind of threw a monkey wrench in our friendship for a while because I was pissed off that he portrayed him like that publicly. I didn't think Ed deserved that. I didn't think his family deserved it either. So I was really upset by it.
You see that, nigga? You motherfucking see that, nigga?